Holy Basil immunity. Tea. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves or 12 fresh leaves in 1 cup of boiling water for 7 minutes. Strain and drink 2-3 times daily. Basil is revered in Ayurveda as an elixir for life due to its powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and adaptogenic properties. Do subscribe this channel for more interesting remedies. Research has shown that basil can effectively modulate immune responses and protect against a wide range of infections by enhancing both cellular and humoral immunity. For maximum benefit during cold and flu season, combine with a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Basil is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to physical, chemical, environmental, and emotional stressors. It modulates cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and supports adrenal gland function, thereby reducing anxiety, fatigue, and exhaustion. Studies have shown that basil can improve symptoms of stress, including sleep disturbances and forgetfulness, and enhance overall mental balance. For example, a randomized controlled trial found that basil extracts significantly reduced stress and improved mood and sleep quality in adults. Basil has demonstrated positive effects on metabolic parameters, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes, high cholesterol, or hypertension. Blood sugar regulation. It helps lower fasting blood glucose and HbA1c levels by enhancing insulin secretion and sensitivity. Cholesterol management. Basil reduces total cholesterol, LDL bad cholesterol, and VLDL levels while improving lipid profiles. Blood pressure control. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to cardiovascular health by supporting healthy blood pressure levels. Basil is rich in bioactive compounds like eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and apigenin, which exhibit strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds scavenge free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes like CoX, potentially alleviating chronic inflammation linked to diseases like arthritis. Protect organs and tissues from damage caused by industrial pollutants, heavy metals, and radiation. Basil has broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties, effective against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. It enhances immune function by increasing antibody production and natural killer NK cell activity. Do like, comment, and share this video. This will help us to continue share remedies effort with you. Basil helps combat respiratory infections, for example, colds, flu, asthma, by clearing congestion and reducing inflammation. May inhibit viral spike proteins, including those of SARS-CoV-2, though more research is needed. Preclinical studies suggest basil supports brain health by improving memory retention and cognitive function, reducing neuroinflammation and oxidative stress in models of Alzheimer's disease and age-related dementia, modulating neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin, which may help alleviate anxiety and depression. Basil's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for reducing plaque buildup and gum inflammation, treating oral ulcers, infections, and bad breath, promoting overall dental hygiene when used as a mouthwash or toothpaste. Basil aids detoxification by enhancing liver function through cytochrome P450 enzymes which metabolize toxins, protecting the liver and kidneys from damage caused by pharmaceuticals, for example, paracetamol, heavy metals, and pesticides, purifying blood and supporting kidney health, potentially reducing the risk of kidney stones. Skin health. Basil leaf juice can treat insect bites, ringworm, and skin infections due to its analgesic and antimicrobial effects. Digestive health. It alleviates gastrointestinal issues like indigestion, vomiting, and diarrhea. Cancer prevention. Some studies note its chemopreventive potential by inducing apoptosis in cancerous cells and reducing tumor growth. Basil is a versatile herb with profound health benefits, rooted in both traditional medicine and emerging scientific evidence. While it shows promise for stress relief, metabolic health, immunity, and detoxification, more robust human trials are needed to standardize dosages and fully validate its efficacy. When used responsibly, basil can be a valuable addition to a holistic health regimen. Always seek professional medical advice before incorporating basil into your diet, particularly if you are pregnant, nursing, or on medication.